channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be reviewing $100 worth of slime and putty from gearbest.com. If you guys don't know already, then gearbest.com is a wholesale website which you guys can find so many amazing items there. You guys can find squishies, clothing, electronics, slime, and so much more. If you guys want to go visit them, then I'll leave everything down below so you guys can go find them. All their links will be on the top of the description box so you guys can go click on it and go buy your whatever you want. So if you're new to my channel, then go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and yeah, turn my post notifications so you won't miss another video like this. And let's try to get this video to 500 likes. I know we can do it. So the first slime they sent me is this green one, and none of these randomly don't have names. They just have this like little label, but that's okay. It looks really nice. Comes in like a U-line container. That's good. Feels really good. Pretty decent amount of slime in here. Here it is. It's really soft. I've never really felt a slime like this, and it's actually pretty, like, I don't know, the consistency is really good. I don't know what they use. It feels really good. Oh my god, this is probably one of my new favorite slimes. I'm really shook right now. Let's try to make a slime swirl. It's more on the like putty, like in between. It's not a full slime, but it's alright. I really like it. I like the consistency and texture of it. If I had to rate this slime, I think it would probably be an 8. Just because it looks really nice and the texture is really good. So the next thing they sent me is this little container that has, I think, clear slime in it. So let's open it. I've seen these on Instagram, but I don't remember who posted it, but this looks really nice. Do you guys see it? It has like pearls and glitters, clear slime. A little pumpkin shaped container right here. It's nice, huh? I like the pearls. They're really nice and vibrant. They're like a metallic-y color. Can we slime swirl it though? Is that possible? Okay, let's try. Even if it's slowly, I'm still gonna try to do it. I can't slime swirl it. Oh, there you go. You can see it. This one is kind of pokey. It's not that much, but I really honestly like it because it's clear, as you guys can see. It rips a little. It's not the stretchiest, but it's really cool. It's a really nice thing to take like on a road trip, and even like if you're on a plane, I don't even think they'll check this. It's really fun to play with just like that, just because it's not sticky, and other slimes are like kind of sticky. Like real slimes are kind of sticky, and if you drop it, then you're screwed. So the next item they sent me are these little Fimo slices, and I'm not gonna open these just because I don't have a use for them right now. But for these, you can actually use them for like clear slimes or like any type of slime, even foam. You can just put them in there, and they look really cute. I've seen people use these for like what's it called? The fruit water thing, so like fruit punch, because these are actually fruits. And yeah, so you guys. So the next slime is this one. This one right here. It's a blue slime made in China. So it's a crystal clear slime. Yeah. It looks like there's a flown bead in there. It's really weird. So I've actually felt these slimes before in a different video. Oh, hold up. Oh yeah, I felt these slimes before in a different video. they're actually kind of. Oh, this one's kind of weird. This one has a weird texture to it. Hold up. Let me take all the slime out. Okay, so this one, it's really weird. It has a weird type of texture. It's kind of stretchy, you guys. Look. Whoa. Wow, it rips. But okay. What? There's a glitter in there? I'm really shook. Look how clear it is. It has a weird residue, but honestly, that's the only thing I have with this slime. I really like how clear it is and how like stretchy. It kind of is stretchy, as you guys can see. So this next slime or putty, whatever you guys want to call it, they sent me is this little M&M one, and I'm actually excited for this one because I don't know what to expect. I don't even know if it's a putty or if it's, oh look, there's already slime still out here. Okay, let's just open it. But here's the container. It's an M&M. What? You guys, I'm really shook. Look, it's holding its shape. Are we shook? Are we like shook it? I am. Hold up, let me poke it. Let me clean the table. Oh, hold up. Look, you guys. That's so nice. That's really nice. Hold up. So you guys, I'm really shook. I had to take thumbnail pictures because this one is so awesome. So here you go. There's probably already trash in here, but not that pokey, but look how stretchy it is. Oh my god. You guys don't even know how much I'm loving this slime right now. Look at the drizzles. Hold up. I can't even. I'm holding the camera right now because I'm really shook. Look at it. Honestly, is that not beautiful? I really love this one. A few items are also putties, so I'm just gonna fly by them real quick and show you guys how they feel. Because I still have one more big item they sent me and I want to go through that one. So this one's a star and look how nice it looks, you guys. Is that not nice? So these are putties, I believe. So here you go. Poke. Should we mix these right here? I think we should, huh? Slime smoothie. Hold up. Let me align them. Stars. That's how best it's gonna get. It is. It's not stretchy, but okay, let me just finish mixing it. Here it is. Honestly, it's really nice if you want to just play around with like sensory toy and just start ripping it. Like if you're playing it with a baby, then I think this is like the best type of slime to give a baby, or you know. So that's that. This next one is one of these other putties. Let's open it. Look at how cute the pearls are. Isn't that the cutest? Look, the pearls give it a different texture. It's not that stretchy, but it's really nice. You guys can see it, but it matches with the table. So now, this is the last item they sent me. They sent me this, like, I think it's a slime kit. It came with these black foam beads. What else? Let's search in here. There's some food coloring, glue, some micro beads, some gloves. Oh, that's good that they give you gloves. Some measuring cups, broken straw. I don't know what that's for. There's some things in here so you can put your slime in. Clear glue. Oh, they give you clear glue. That's good. Some tops for the lids. The lids for the little containers. There's more lids right here. There's also some more glues. And I believe this is either borax or fake snow. But I think it's borax. This is borax. The tops for the glues. There's glitters here. That's good that they give you glitter. That's really nice. And the last two items are glues. So I'm gonna make one slime right now and show you guys, okay? Let's get slimy. So the first thing I'm gonna do is probably make my borax solution. So I have my little container right here. I know you guys can see it. Let's put some water in there. I'm only gonna make a little bit. So that's good. My borax solution, amount of borax, that's probably too much. Let's get it till it's dissolved. They should really make these easier to open. Okay, so that's enough. So here's the slime. I added some black glitters and I added some white glue just because it was too hard and I had to like deactivate it. So I added some white glue, some black glitters, and the black foam beads. And then honestly, I think this reminds me of Oreos. Doesn't it to you guys too? Honestly, I really love this slime kit. If you guys want to go check them out, then I'll leave all the information down below in the description box and on top of the description. So I hope you guys liked the video, and if you did like the video, then go ahead and like, share, and subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!